Hello and welcome. This is the module introduction to basic input-output circuits and programs. So just like the first module was only about breadboarding, this module is essentially all about programming. The circuits are as simple as I could make them. They only use LEDs, resistors, and push buttons. So the journey begins with just a basic LED blink circuit, which is then improved with having a variable control the blink rate. Then we introduce some random functions and have LEDs blink in various random ways, be that random delays or a random choice of an LED. And finally, we add an input, which is a button. And then we use the button to alter the way in which LEDs blink and the speed in which they change. That more or less summarizes what you're going to learn, so I shall see you in there.